Sometimes, all you need is a walk in the woods. The moment you step beneath the trees, something changes. You breathe deeply, and that fresh, earthy air isn't just refreshing. It's healing. Trees release natural chemicals called phytoncides into the air. When we inhale them, they help boost our immune system, reduce stress, and calm the mind. Every breath you take in the forest is nature's way of restoring you. Walking on uneven forest paths is different from walking on flat city pavements. It engages different muscle groups, improves balance, and strengthens coordination, all while your body feels alive and energized. As you walk, your heartbeat steadies, your thoughts clear, and your worries fade. The sunlight through the branches, the sound of leaves beneath your feet, it all reminds you that peace is simple and real. So step outside, breathe in the forest. Let the trees fill your lungs, calm your mind, and heal your spirit.